This is the 36-inch Boho Knotless Braided Wig from U&A Hair. This package is from U&A Hair. Let's open it and see what I got. Alright, so it comes with a HD wig cap and a wig, of course. This is the 36-inch Boho Knotless Braided Wig from U&A Hair in the color Natural Black. It does have a full 360 lace and it has baby hairs. It has comb attachments in the inside and elastic band and adjustable straps. If you don't want to spend 7+ hours getting your hair braided, watch this. This is the 36-inch Boho Knotless Braided Wig from U&A Hair. This install was actually really easy. I put on a wig grip band first, then all I had to do was throw on the wig and style it how I wanted. It came with full baby hairs, so I went ahead and laid my edges, and here is the final look. It's super cute, and I didn't have to sit for hours getting these braids. If you're interested, I will have this link below in the shopping cart. Go ahead and grab you one.